What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another banger video. Today it is Monday. No, today is Tuesday. Yesterday was Labor Day. Honestly and truthfully, I know this video sounds kind of rushed or abrupt, but the reason is I literally just got my account to $3,000 and I didn't plan on taking a trade today. So what happened was I knew yesterday was the holiday, so I knew price was going to either be acting funny or not moving the way I wanted to. So I kind of was like, I'm not going to touch the markets today. I just keep my eye on it. So I looked earlier and price was consolidating when moving. Next thing I know, as soon as I take my eyes off the market, it started to spike. My mentor, Mike Lito, sends out a call. I said, we're going for a buy today. I said, you know what? The heck with it. I'm hopping in too. So I hop in, and of course it's still kind of moving slow, but it's moving in the direction that we wanted to. So I get in. Next thing you know, I'm boom, up 100, up 200, up 300, up 400, up 500. It pulls back, and then it gets back up to like 500. Then I get out. Then it keeps going, and the reason why I end up getting out because price wasn't moving the way it usually moves. So I'm like, all right, maybe this is just a sign for me to like just kind of take my wins and kind of just be done. It ended up playing out the way it was supposed to. So honestly and truthfully, if I would have head on to this trade the way I was supposed to, this would have been $1,000 to $1,500 a day, maybe even $2,000, because the thing is, price reached all new highs on gold today. So let's take like a quick look or whatever, and then I'll talk to y'all like right after. As y'all know, same old, watching YouTube per usual. And I just uploaded some videos to Instagram and TikTok, so y'all make sure y'all go follow me over there. But as y'all can see, price was consolidating all down here. This is why I have my support and resistance line. So price had been consolidating over the holiday, which was yesterday. And then I put this trend line here just to see if it was gonna break, but I wasn't paying attention. I wasn't on the markets. So of course, next thing you know, price breaks past this trend line all the way to the upside. My mentor gives the call. I said, all right, boom. So as soon as he gives the call, I got in, and this is the pullback I was talking about. It was reaching to 500, it pulled back, and I was down like to almost, I don't know, 100 and some change. And then next thing I know, I got back up to 500, and then I got out because it started to reject again. As you can see, it started to reject again. But after it got done rejecting, I said, you know what, I'm just gonna take my 5 and just be done. Next thing I know, it just gets to pushing. OMG. Then it is still going past all-time highs. Like price is currently at $3,528. I think the most recent high was like 5,000 and like 16 something. Excuse me, y'all. It was like 5,000 like something 16. It was something else. It wasn't that though. I have to look on the daily. Let's look on the daily. So as you can clearly see, right here, this was the old high, and price had smashed past that. So once it started to reject over there, I was like, all right, maybe it's not gonna really reach past new highs. I'm like, I just don't see it going past new highs. Man, this thing is still going strong. At some point, it's gonna come down and it's gonna drop. So once it comes down, it's gonna pull back, maybe give a huge impulse correction continuation. So it's gonna give us a pullback. It's gonna give us a pullback, and then it's gonna jump back up. So that's kind of what I'm looking for. I don't think it's gonna keep going that much higher. I feel like it's going to pull back tonight or today or something. But I got my trend line right here, so we kind of looking for a price to push up, come back, push up, and then come back. So that's kind of what I'm looking at. So we're just gonna see how it goes. I'm really gonna keep my eye on price today though, but nonetheless, got some money off of that. Good day overall. Great day. Dallas, Texas is starting to cool off, and now it's September 1st, 2nd. So now Dallas is starting to cool off, which is really, really nice. And everybody always says like, you know, August is the hottest month. And it really wasn't that bad. We had some hot days, but it wasn't that bad. And it's my first like real summer here, so I'm really happy about that. So now, honestly, like the next couple weeks, I'm gonna start going shopping for like pants and jackets and hoodies and stuff, because yes, it's still gonna be shorts weather here, but like at nighttime, it's like it'll be okay. You can wear pants at night. Like right now, it's really breezy. So that being said, next thing is y'all stay tuned for my challenge series from dash to 1K. So what I did was I start doing DoorDash to make $100, and I'm gonna turn that $100 into $1,000. So, because I wanted to do this so like I could let people know like there's no excuses in the world as to why you ain't got money or why you can't get money or why you can't get your account funded. Everybody always running to funded accounts, and it's like no. Sometimes I think personally having your own capital just makes you that much of a better trader, because the reality is when you put your own money up, you think more, you look at the bigger picture more, you study more. Like your real money's at risk, not just your little 150 that you put up for a $2,000 account that you can barely get. So yeah, so that's the whole objective of the challenge. So it's on TikTok and it's on Instagram. So follow me on both TikTok and Instagram at Control Trades on both platforms. And I just really wanted to do this series because, like I said, there should be no excuse to why you don't have any money to start your account. Like literally. And as today we started the account, I didn't get a chance to like document it. So I just started the account, and we are currently up because I had to put a little extra in there. So it was like 130 something for like fees and stuff. So we are currently up $164. $44 profit. Yeah, so $44 profit. So $44 profit. $44 on the account. So, and I just started that today. And I ain't had no size. So once I get to like $200-300, I can start putting on size. And we're gonna grow the account. We have 2 weeks to do it. So we started the challenge Sunday. So today is the 3rd day in of the challenge. So I still got all of this week and then the rest of next week. So we're gonna keep growing it, take our A+ setups or whatever the case may be. But today I am going to see if I can schedule some calls, go work out. It's gonna be kind of a chill day, nothing too crazy. I'm still locked in to the end of the year. Yeah, so we just kind of locked in with this, you know. God did. So nothing really much to do. It's Tuesday. Everybody went back to work today. Real work. I even went back to work today. So as you can see, I traded. Honestly and truthfully, the city is kind of dead throughout the day when you're a trader. The city is kind of dead. So honestly and truthfully, like coming out at like 6-7 o'clock is when like people are outside again, like going through the trails, going to play tennis, go play basketball. Like you can interact with other people then. Like now everybody's clearly at work. So it's like if I went to go do something, it really won't be that much fun, I guess. I could, but it's like it just won't be that much fun. So I may or may not go play tennis tonight. That actually sounds kind of fun. I might play tennis tonight, or something like that. I really don't know. I'm really honestly just locked in, but I know I need to hit the gym at some point, eat at some point, and then yeah, just kind of just do my thing. So I'm going to work on that, and I will get back to y'all tomorrow when we take our next trade. And yeah, so update. So GAT is in October, if you know what that is. Me, Josh, Adriana, and our friends, some of our friends are going to Gatlinburg in Tennessee in October. So cabin is already good paid for, so that's out the way. And November I'll be going to Miami with Josh. So y'all see a lot more content. I won't be in Dallas for a while. I'll be in Miami. Honestly, for quite some time I'm gonna be out in Miami. So my videos are actually gonna switch up, and y'all see me with more like creators and Josh, and we had a house and a penthouse and all that good stuff. So that's kind of what I'm waiting on and kind of get myself prepared for. So I got to keep that in mind. So I'm kind of just like focused on making money right now, and then it's like being with Mike, my mentor, some more, so we can like kind of lock in before I dip. And then yeah, so that's gonna be the end of this. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification button for another banger video, and I'll see y'all in the morning. Peace. Everybody, welcome back to another banger video. Welcome back to another beautiful day here in Dallas, Texas. Today it is currently 10:05. It's Wednesday, September 3rd. It's already September 3rd. I don't even remember September 1st. I be seeing the TikToks and they be like, go ahead and wrap this summer up. It's time for Christmas and Halloween, which I agree, because I am ready for all the festivities and the atmosphere and the vibes and all that good stuff. But nonetheless, today we took another banger trade. I've actually been on a good run, ever since those first 2 weeks of August. Those first 2 weeks of August were horrible. But since then, we kind of been on a up and up. So love that for me, honestly and truthfully. But today took a decent little trade. I guess we can look at it real quick if I get the yapping or whatever. So today did 450 on the day. Currently watching YouTube. Y'all already know ain't nothing changed per usual. So currently got into this trade. Well, honestly, just been paying attention to price. Let's see if we can get this all settled up. As y'all know, I still trade on an iPad with a button on it. So there's no excuses on like what you need or what you can and can't do, whatever. So nonetheless, but let's just take a quick look from yesterday. So yesterday we had that consolidation. Price was already in the uptrend. So price is in the consolidation. We went to an uptrend. I took this buy for the quick scalp per usual. Nothing new. So we know we know that the market moves in 3 phases: impulse, correction, continuation. So we had a huge impulse, correction, continuation. So I knew the continuation was coming. I anticipated it. I got in right here at this trend line. I marked off my high. I marked off my low. And then I went in for the break, retest, and continuation. Simple trade. Nothing too crazy. Very, very simple. 450 on the day. So honestly, I traded Monday, I traded Tuesday, and I traded today. So in the last 3 days, we probably made, I have to look, but if I had to guess, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, about 1,300 in the last 3 days. So my average weeks are starting to become like 2K. But this is the thing. The name of the game is 2 things: patience and capital. Once you have more capital, you can leverage more. See, now before I had a smaller account, my account was like 1,000, maybe 1,000 some change, maybe 2,000. And I was using a lot size probably about like 0.30, 0.40, maybe 0.50, maybe 0.60, somewhere around that range, nonetheless. But now that I'm at a $3,000 account, I'm using a standard lot, just one standard lot, and now the same trades I was taking, I'm making way more money, way more faster. So those same trades I've been taking all year, now I'm closing out my trades at like 5, 6, 4. Like I'm really cooking now. So now that my weeks are getting a lot better because I got more capital. See, that's the name. It's like you still have to take takeout. I mean, you still have to take payouts, but you want to kind of leave some capital in there so that you can use to grow your money, and it's easier to make money. When I say it's so much easier to make money, I get into a trade, I'm automatically up $200 and $300. And now it's so crazy, like now I'm not even moved by it, because at first when I started trading, I'm like, crap, 100, 200, 300, crazy. Now it's like I'm trying to get to the 5, 60, 600, $700 days, $1,000 days, and like I'm not really like going for it, but it's like it'd be nice if I had it, honestly, personally, truthfully. So yeah, so that's kind of like where I'm locked in with it at. And yeah, so 2,000, we looking for 2,000 on the week. I was just talking to myself, I'm probably gonna be starting to make around, I'm trying by the beginning of next year, I'm trying to get to like the 10 to 15K a month, honestly and truthfully. That's really what I'm trying to get to. So that is what we are aiming for, but we just taking our time, no rush. We're kind of just enjoying the fact that we don't have to go to work every day. We can do things on our own time. It's the middle of the afternoon, it's 10 o'clock. I'm thinking about going for a run right now. This guy down here in his Jeep, he's going to work. I'm trying to go work out. So we kind of just enjoying that. I'm not really stressed or like trying to add too much more stuff to my plate right now. I'm really just enjoying the fact that I can just go eat where I want to, go do some kind of excursion if I want to, go to the mall if I want to, just hang out for the day if I want to, because I'm pretty much done. Like I literally made $450 a day, and I could just take it out if I wanted to, and then just go blow it and go try to make it back tomorrow. Like that's the reality. I don't advise you do that. There's smarter ways to go about it, but I'm just saying, like, in theory, I could literally just do that and just be done and be a-okay. So but I do plan on maybe today, I got actually a lot of work to do, honestly, today. So but maybe like sometime this week or sometime next week, I think I might just have me a me day where I just get up, go have fun, just have a day by myself, just doing some stuff, figure out some excursion or something. You know, why do all this and you don't reap the rewards? But I'm really just holding out to Miami, honestly and truthfully, and then kind of holding out for all the festivities too, for like Christmas time, Halloween, Thanksgiving. You know, the vibes, the things to do outside. You know, I would prefer to do things and kind of make content based around those things, make memories, make content, kind of that deal, instead of just buying a bunch of stuff and just kind of blowing all my money on DoorDash and all that stuff. So, yeah, man, nonetheless, that's the kind of day we looking or having. So, it's really it's really nice. Like, it's September and it's so breezy, bro. Like, it just feels so good. Before it was 90, 100, 101. Now it's like 80s. Comfortable weather with the breeze. Like, Dallas looks so beautiful, y'all. Like, that's downtown Dallas, if you can see. It's just so beautiful. So, yeah, man. Yeah, so like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification button, stay tuned for the next banger video. Go follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and I will see y'all on the next banger video. Peace.